Whatnot is a live stream shopping app where sellers auction off collectibles, trading cards, sneakers, and vintage items in real time, as you can see from this little preview. It's fast, interactive, and feels more like an event than a marketplace, which I love. Pricing is quite simple. Sellers pay an 8% commission plus a 2.9% plus 30 cents processing fee on the total order. Includes shipping and tax. That means smaller, low-value sales can get eaten up by fees, but for higher ticket or volume sellers, it's quite manageable. On the plus side, the platform has a built-in buyer trust. Sellers are vetted in certain categories, and shipping is required within 2 days. Buyers can see exactly what they're bidding on live. It's also community-driven, with giveaways, chat, and repeat buyers. But there are trade-offs. Support can be slow, technical glitches happen, and Whatnot's audience is smaller than eBay or Amazon, for instance. It's great for collectibles, but not ideal for general retail. Bottom line is, if you're selling niche items and are you willing to stream, Whatnot can build a loyal audience and move inventory fast. If you just want to list it and forget it marketplace, this is not it.